All right, here we are about to head out on this second annual Remember July 7th ride, supporting police, law enforcement. Great bunch. Everybody's firing up. Getting ready for this escorted ride around Dallas. All right, so the first bikes are off and we're headed out. Have no earthly idea how many bikes here. I've got to believe it's well over a couple of hundred. When I get back, hopefully you'll see and get an idea of the number. And here we roll. Escorted ride on some of these major roads here in highways in Dallas. It's great to support our law enforcement, be a part of this. You know, I don't like getting pulled over for speeding or getting tickets, but I'm definitely glad we have law enforcement to take care of things that need to be taken care of. And yeah, maybe every now and then I do need a reminder. But I really appreciate people that take the time to organize big events like this to support a group that needs our support and help. You know, riding in these kind of parade type guided rides aren't always the most fun, but it's great to get to see bikes and friends and some bikers that don't always see except at events like this, and visit with them, and then just to be part of this. So, if you've never been to this particular ride, I hope you will come in the future. Or if you haven't been on a charity ride, it's well worth it. It's a lot of fun and it's well worth it. Here we go. Pretty soon we'll be jumping, I believe, on Interstate 35 and rolling around in Dallas. Beautiful day. It may be a little warm because it is July the 8th, but it's great riding in Texas. Well, we're up on I-35 riding. I have not been on I-35 very often at all, which there's no traffic flying by on either side. They've got to shut down for this ride and on our northbound part. Normally these 3 lanes would be pretty packed with a lot of automobiles. Very busy, so it's refreshing to get to ride on the road this that's currently pretty safe for motorcyclists because of the traffic being blocked. I'm pretty close to the front of the line. There are a bunch behind us. Make a big statement as we go around Dallas. For those that don't know what's going on, hopefully they'll look it up and see, hear about it, and see our support of our law enforcement. I have a lot of friends that are in law enforcement. Really appreciate the fact they're out there really trying very hard to keep the public as safe as possible. Now we're about to get up on 635, the big loop around Dallas. You can get a little better view of the group in front of me. one thing interesting or to watch, interesting about riding in an event like this is you don't always know the people around you. I'm currently behind some people I know and in front of one person I know and I've ridden with, and so I feel better about that because you kind of know how they operate, and you know if they are good riders or not, and it's always important to know those around you. Sometimes you get in these rides and you're not sure who's around you, and you just got to be very careful and diligent, and then you also have to ride well, carefully and safely, so the people around you aren't scared of you. But once again, it's just so awesome to see so many bikers come together, support a cause, especially a worthy cause, enjoy the day, ride, get back to Strokers, and we'll eat lunch, or some might leave to go eat lunch somewhere else, but it will be great. Appreciate our escorts. There they are doing their job, slowing down some traffic. So this escorted ride continues all the way around Dallas as we're kind of on the southeast side of Loop 635, all the way past Mesquite, actually entering the community of Balk Springs. Been great with all the escorts stopping traffic and letting us safely go, showing our support of our law enforcement. Very well organized ride. The ride continues all the way around. We're still on we're actually on I-20. We're south of downtown Dallas, good ways. The escorts continue to block the road for us and keep things rolling smoothly. Did have a couple of bikes stop. One looked like it had mechanical issues and another one stopped to help them. But otherwise everything appears to be running smoothly. Well, we're headed back to downtown Dallas and then over to Strokers. Enjoying the ride, but as we look to the right, there's a issue somewhere just southeast of downtown Dallas. It looks bad. I've been seeing the smoke for a while. I'm not sure what it is. But the ride's going great. Downtown. See the Dallas skyline. Get down here into the canyon, as they call it. This interchange. It's pretty busy, and see how these escorts do stopping that traffic and letting us through. You can see several things here in Dallas. The Reunion Tower, and look through, you can see the Chase Tower and various buildings here in downtown. And this great ride for our law enforcement. Now the escorts have not been able to stop all traffic. There's just some areas where I don't think they could get everything blocked. But it's gone well as we come down here and this big interchange and see how things go. The riders have all done well, been very respectful and careful and safe. Which of course on a ride like this you definitely want everyone to be careful and alert and safe. And that was a pretty smooth transition. That escort guy's trying to stop some traffic there. Let us continue on. We'll We're not far away from the exit to Strokers. And roll back in for the end of this ride.
Recording.
Well, we're zooming in back to Strokers to the end of the ride. Great ride, and I'm going to turn around here and try to get some of the bikes coming in, and we've got a lot of bikes. Here they come rolling in. They'll be filling up the back of Strokers really soon. Great ride. Yep, they're coming in for a long way, so wonderful event. Hope you can make it sometime.